This seems a little bit like a contradiction, but it really isn't. Many people actually think that to improve their credit score, you need to pay off some debts and close the accounts. This is not exactly accurate. There's several reasons why you need to think very carefully before you close your accounts. First, if you close an account, for example, that you actually need, like all your credit cards, then you'll have to reapply for credit, and all those nasty inquiries from lenders will cause your scores to actually drop. Secondly, most bureaus give favorable higher points to those who have a good long-lasting credit history. That means that closing accounts you'll have since college, for example, will actually hurt you in the long run. And if you have credit accounts that you don't use, and if you have actually too many lines of credits, then by all means pay some of them off and close them. Because as a matter of fact, doing so may help your score, but only if you don't close the long-term accounts that you actually need. In general, close the most recent accounts first, and only when you are sure you will not need that credit in the near future. Closing your accounts is a bad idea if you will be applying for a loan soon, and the closing of your accounts will make your scores drop in the short term and will not allow you to qualify for good loan rates if your utilization actually spikes. Closing your accounts could make your overall debt balance too high. So if you owe $10,000 now and closing some accounts will leave you with just $1,000 of possible credit, then you're close to maxing out your credit, which is actually a bad thing. And in short, closing your accounts may lower your score due to utilization, but in the long run, it can actually be beneficial. Guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Let me know in the comments below, what are your strategies and what are your thoughts on closing the accounts? And if so, if you can explain some of your experience, this way everybody in the Keeping It Real with Credit family can be on point and learn from each other. So like I said before, guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.